of the party of animals? So here is a party which is hosted and celebrated by the animals. So let's look into that. See, once upon a time, a snake had arranged a party to all the animals to whom it was giving trouble. It invited all the families of rats, frogs and ants. When the animals came to know the decision of snake, they did not believe, as many were troubled by him, so they together refused the snake's invitation. So the snake was disappointed. So it requested all the animals again and again and said, while coming, count your numbers. While going back, count your numbers again. I do not trouble you anymore. I am telling you the truth. Believe me. Please fulfill my ambition. So all of them agreed with the word of the snake. So the big green frog took a responsibility to take all the rats, frogs and ants. It also promised to bring 200 members back. So before going to the snake, the big green frog counted the members. So after coming back also, it counted again. So when it counted, so there was about rats was 46, ants was 37, frogs were 109. Now let us see the number of frogs and ants who came back from the snake's house. See, we got to know, right, when counting, the frog counted. So we got to know that there were 109 frogs and 37 ants. So to get the total number for this, what we need to do? We need to add these two numbers. So let us add them. First, we should write the number according to their place values. So we know that there are frogs. The frogs is about 109. So here 1 will be placed in the hundreds place and the 0 will be placed in the tens place and the 9 will be placed in the units place. Similarly, when it comes to ants, so here also we should be careful, where 3 will be placed in the tens place and then 7 should be placed in the units place. Here, when we carry out the addition from first step, we should always make sure that our first step will be starting from the units place value. Okay, so in the units place, if we observe, here the digits are 9 and 7. So when you add the 9 and 7, we get 16. So but a place can hold a single digit only, right? So here in 16, 1 we are having, no? So the 1 here in the 16 denote 10. So we shall send it to the tens place. So in the tens place, we should add the 1, 2, 3 and we will be getting 4 as a sum. So now in the hundreds place, there are single numbers like 1 which will be reflect in the total as itself. So this kind of addition is said to be the addition with carrying. Yeah. So we will be studying about it in the details in the further classes.